Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome to my channel. Well guys, as I was scrolling, I came across this viral vitamin C serum and I decided to try it out. Well guys, let me make it very clear that this is not a paid review. I paid for this and tested it by myself. Now guys, if we men compare our skin with a woman's skin, their skin glow all the time. And it is because we men don't take care of our skin. Now guys, women already use these things. That is the reason why their skin glow. But we men ignore these things and we end up looking older than we are. So now it's time to change the game guys. Start using these things and your skin will start to thank you. Now guys, all the things that I use in this video, I will make sure that I will put all the links in the description below. You can go there and check them out, or I will even put it on the screen here. You can definitely go there and check them out by yourself. And if you used it by watching this video, then come back to this video guys and see that you comment below and let us know how it helped you. Even if it did not help you, then see that you come here and comment below guys, so that it will help other people as well. Now guys, I have heard a lot about this serum and it is like going viral on the internet. You guys must have also come across videos of this. It is said that this serum helps in brightening the skin and it exhibits antioxidant properties. Now guys, this serum consists of 10% vitamin C and 0.5% of ferulic acid. So we'll test this serum in this video guys and I will show you how to apply it. I will also tell you what to apply after applying this one. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Now guys, since this serum comes with vitamin C which brightens up your skin, and it also comes with the ferulic acid which is an antioxidant. So what this serum actually does is, guys, this serum helps in restoring your skin natural glow. It is not going to make you fair or any of that stuff, but it is going to bring back the natural glow of your skin. Now sometimes what happens is, on your face there are dark spots which are come because you go too much in the sun and you have few dark spots on your face, especially your forehead and all. Because when you roam too much in the sun, most of the time your forehead right here gets dark because the sun hits directly the forehead first. So this serum will help you to get rid of that dark spot. Now guys, we'll have a look at this box closely and we'll see what are the ingredients inside and all that stuff. So as you guys can see, it is written here what vitamin C does. It provides a brightening effect, and it is written here what the ferulic acid does. It says that it is an antioxidant and it prevents sun damage. Now let's open the box and let's see what is inside guys. So as I open the box, I take out this bottle. As you guys can see how the bottle looks like. Now how to apply it, I will show you further in this video, so don't worry about it. All the instructions are there on the box as well. You can read them if you want. Now this bottle is a glass bottle as you guys can see, and it is dark in color. And guys, this bottle also comes with a pump. Now the top fitting here is a pump guys. Now on top of the pump there is a cover like this which you can remove and put back when you are not using it. But when you want to use it, you will have to take out the cap. You can press the pump and the liquid will flow out. But there is a downside for this pump guys. It becomes very difficult to apply the serum on the face directly by pressing the pump. I will show you what happens further in this video, and I will also show you how I apply it. So it's a vitamin C serum by Deconstruct. Now as you guys know, not all things are suitable for everyone. So before you apply this directly on your face, see that you take a small amount on your hand right here and do a patch test. If you feel that there is any itching or swelling or any redness, then avoid applying this serum guys. But if everything goes fine, then you can go ahead and apply it on your face. Now this serum can be applied in the morning as well as in the evening. Now guys, it is said that vitamin C should be stored in a dark colored bottle and it should be airtight as well. So you guys have seen the bottle already. It is kind of a dark brownish colored bottle and it has a airtight pump as well. So the serum inside is airtight because this bottle is fitted with a pump on top. Now one drawback I came across when applying the serum is guys, when you try to apply this serum directly on your face like this, it becomes slightly difficult and there are chances that sometimes when you're applying on the forehead like this, the serum can come down and go in your eyes as well. So that was a slightly downside which I saw of the pump. but what I do is I take it on my hand and then I try to apply it. I will show you how I do it guys, so don't worry at all. So keep watching the video. Now guys, the consistency of this serum is liquidy and lightweight, but it has a little bit amount of smell. So now let's apply this serum and we'll check it out how to apply it first, and then we'll come back here. So as you guys can see, this is the serum. I will open the cap. First I will show you guys what happens if I try to apply it directly on my face with the help of the pump. And as you guys can see, the pump spits out the serum in a very unusual manner. It is very risky because it can go in your eyes as well. So what I do is I take it on my hand like this and then I apply it on my entire face. See that you apply it on your forehead guys, and on the side temples, and apply a generous amount on your cheeks. And don't forget your nose, and also see that you apply it on your neck as well, because sometimes the neck also becomes dark. What we are looking for here is we are trying to bring back our natural glow. Now after applying on your entire face, see that you massage it nicely all over so that the serum gets absorbed in your skin. Once it gets absorbed, you can stop massaging, because now you will have to apply a sunscreen, lotion or moisturizer on top of it. So I am going to be using this Aqualogica Radiance Dewy Sunscreen. It has 50 SPF. It also has a unique water lock technology. So if any of you guys are using this sunscreen, then comment below and let us know if you like it or no guys, because I just love this sunscreen. Now guys, my skin is oily skin, so I don't like too much of stickiness on my face. That is the reason why I have selected this sunscreen. And again guys, before applying it on your face, see that you do a patch test. Apply it on the normal skin like this and wait for 10 minutes and look for any redness. Also where you had applied your serum, on top of that also see that you apply the sunscreen and wait for 10 minutes and check if any reaction occurs. If any reaction occurs, then don't apply these products guys. But if everything goes well, then you can go ahead and start applying this sunscreen. Now when you are applying sunscreen guys, see that you apply it generously, because I know people, they want to save their sunscreen, so they will apply very less amount, almost a negligible amount. But guys, when you are applying sunscreen, you should apply it generously, like how I am applying here. It should be visible when you are applying it. And once you are done applying guys, see that you massage it and spread it out evenly. At first it will look white and obvious, but then guys, after a while your skin will absorb the sunscreen and it will start to look normal. Once it starts to look normal, see that you wipe off the excess sunscreen, and with this you are done applying the serum now. Now if you are supposed to go in the sun, then you should do this process at least 15 minutes before going out, because your sunscreen should get absorbed guys, otherwise it will not work effectively. Now guys, let's talk about the results. After using this serum for 10 days, what results did I see? The first thing that I noticed just after applying this serum for 2 days guys, is that I saw tightness in my skin. I felt that my pores shrunk a little bit. I don't know if this happens for everyone, but I felt that. I felt the tightness. When I touched my face, it felt different. I don't know if this serum is designed for that as well, but that is what happened first, and that is the first thing that I noticed guys. If any of you guys have used this and you have felt it, then see that you comment below and let us know guys. So I felt tightness in my skin. Then I felt that some dark spots have lightened. They have not disappeared completely, but I have seen some lightness in the dark spots. To get a nice glow, I think I should apply this consistently at least for 1 or 2 months, and then I can see a major difference. If you guys can see any difference in my face, then see that you comment below and let us know guys, so that it can help everyone as well. So that's all in this video guys. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed, so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.